Me say NDC Mp foi. Me who dey wa born say John Demelo. Sir
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe we be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
me say NDC Mp foi. Me who dey wa born say John Demelo. Sir NDC Mp Nkwala yi. Me who dey wa born say John Demelo. Say what be MP as my minister. Na say nsu afa nkrofo a wo che de kon nchinam. De kon nchinam na wo che. Hey. Ensu afa nkrofo ma nkrofo wu. Ensu yi na fam. Na se kobo ma na wo di TV akosi wo. Anu de kon nchinam say momla me TV na mu ni de kon. Che say NDC for ni food aduane nko a. Because Bema 20 gram say Ghana hay ya say Bema 20 gram de ehun nko a Bema mo so wa Jimmy nko a Bema mo so wa omo number o buy na be put here wronger wo so to aso nyame wadom movie e wutwai wo kisi mai ene nyame wadom na wa ba na obenya MP ene sama minister a obaye dwuma yie no akosua na wo che traffic im no atosadi no che traffic im mesi wo ye betu say Babray, MPP Babray. Oba Fefe. Ah, when you nyama what's your homa? Now I've been yet Nibetu, who make 4 years, John Demelo. John Demelo make 4 years. I'm telling you. Because say I did about some cranny. Bema 20 gram will say ya movie in a ucha movie. Na say ya MP, I'm a minister. Ah, ka young guy by the one by your jumano. No one local share now traffic him. Ensuo ku nkrofo amanipa Ghana nyina abonyenye na ko bo nkrofo doko ne nchina to send this for there omo de sori ya food omo na nko la na mpanifo hey why yesa ma sam ya Ghana fo ka se Bema tintin de Jimmy Bema tintin fure hu Bema mo ofe Jimmy se why ya ma ya no kure eti babra kwa kuma to ya ba fa fm so be ya the screen so obawe ya ni metu John Demelo. Because when the modern boy or pa the out John Demelo betu. Over 4 years, me see, 4 years so copy him. Ye 2 free so, and told the upper corner Bobby. Any pakpeshito, never man for you yet then you betu. I'm telling you, John Demelo. Ah,
Asema isi Emrano. Obia ayo. Nipewu niema asay. Aba na hu dia esi wa enya sem ketwa na sede coordinator kan ya no enya hankwa na esi bibre na nipa bibre na aba kan na me ka se mint na fie misumeba ama ba be hu dia esi na ma chichiri mo we na mama mo shede na we dey Ghana for nyina problem no nti gise nyina ye kabom na yetimi hu akwan a ye be fa so amma saade emba biu nti nyina ye be kabom aye saadwuma Say mudi bibi to enim nipa bi omuni eduane ndipo omuni atade enhye minu bai obewo la oko hospital problems no dos meso meye ade kakra meso metimi aye aboa mo na meso my country aban say omoso embremu na omobeboa me sure say omobeba na we dey serious pa na if you say ye state of emergency mpo a yen declare state of emergency na yen fa we nyina embeye na mayen mu nyina na yemishira mo na me de nyame ebeja mu nyina me de muaso ebeba na ebema me da mo ase.
This is the real definition of a good leader. Good leader, ekwati bia ne manfo tim na wakwahye omon kran na wa de obetu na ho de betumi aye na de abeboa. Mahama de wo suro se obeti atechem. Wo suro se obekwati bia manfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka. Ghana for one my yensensi form papa. One my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto Amasaman because we be tena for good 12 years. We be ye vice president. Ema wujade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wubu ye. Uwie wote wunye president da. Ema ye vote ma wo ma obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchira ye sama wo mra se who betwa 12 good years. Who to me nyeshe. Who promises and kukwan ketenkete omo adwane and confirm a wodi buy omo ko Burkina. Koko fu a who promise you omo se obetu ebula ama koko farmers bia who buy wa beti koko no so ewum. Won san so ntuaka we firi omo koko wodi omo ka. Wo buy wo see agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo see market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na we see market ne bathroom wo he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edidada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa uba power. Mun kwa mu party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mu party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mu party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di wechi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na wonu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto ebi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, echo, and no, my Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, I may mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So I can, in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, they are equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you radio ndama ni ma say all members come to do one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon the money mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or sister.